Kware dumping site matters and for us to give closure to the devastated families. We have this morning arrested the prime suspect, already identified to you guys by the Acting Inspector General, known as Collins Jumaisa Halusha, 33 years old. The suspect was arrested at Soweto in Kayole Sub-County this morning at around 3 a.m. in a joint operation by the DCI and the National Police Service officers. He was arrested outside a club where he had gone to watch the Europe 2024 football finals. His pursuit and subsequent arrest followed a very thorough forensic analysis of a mobile phone that belonged to one of the victims, namely Josephine Mulongo Owino, where some mobile money transactions were conducted on the very, very day Josephine went missing. Upon arrest of the suspect, he led our officers to his single-room rental house in Kware, which is located about 100 meters from the crime scene. That is the Kware Dam, where the bodies and the body parts have been recovered. We conducted a quick search in the house, which led to recovery of the following very, very crucial exhibits. We were able to recover 24 Airtel SIM card holders with new SIM cards, 8 smartphones and 2 feature phones, 1 laptop and 1 hard drive, 2 flash drives and a memory card, 1 machete that we believed was being used to dismember the victims, 12 nylon sacks that we are going to show you guys very shortly, similar to the ones that were being used to stuff the bodies at the Kware Dam, 1 pair of industrial rubber gloves, 6 national identification cards for men, and 2 ID cards for women, 1 pink female handbag, 2 pink female panties, 5 rolls of cannabis sativa, 4 huge clear sellotapes, some of which were recovered at the scene. So these ones are similar to those ones recovered from the scene. We also recovered 1 reflector jacket, 2 title deeds, 2 notebooks, and assorted documents. On interrogation, the suspect confessed to have lured, killed, and disposed 42 female bodies at the dumping site, all murdered between 2022 and as recent as last day, 11th of July, 2024. Unfortunately, and this is very sad, the suspect alleged that the first victim was his wife, namely Imelda Judith Halenya, whom he struggled to death before dismembering her body and disposing it at the same site. From our interrogation, all his victims have been murdered in the same style, like we had alluded to yesterday. Our investigations are still ongoing, and the suspect's house and the dumping site will remain active crime crime scenes. Just like the